Ciao, bonjour, hello and welcome to an instruction or how to install a relay, which could be useful if you want to supply your electric systems like heated grips, heated seat and so on only when the ignition is turned on, for example. That could help avoiding empty batteries, because you might forget switching off those systems, or some stupid guys might turn on those systems when you are not at the bike or at the Vespa. The instruction works with nearly every relay. I chose this relay because it's pretty small and you don't have too much space in the Vespa. Of course, you need some 12 volts power supply, which is only available when the ignition is turned on. And I found that power supply below that blind plug connector. I don't know what it is good for. Maybe you can buy the Vespa with original heated seat or some other equipment, I don't know. But anyway, in my case, the white cable had 12 volts supply when ignition is turned on. You will also need a good connection to ground, and there are a lot of bolts and screws in the Vespa which you can use. This one is just shown, for example. In the end I chose another one, but you can choose the one that fits best for your system. You can then create a small cable harness to supply the relay with ground and 12 volts. Therefore you can use, for example, speaker cable or whatever cable you have. You can also buy new cables, of course, but that is normally not necessary. And you can use crimp contacts or plugs. I'm not sure how it is called in English, but you know what I mean. But you should definitely use isolated crimp contacts, which I didn't, but that isn't very professional. I isolated them later with tape. And to pick up the 12 volts, you can use wiretap connectors, splice connectors, or whatever it is really called. In German we call it Stromdieb or Faulenzer for the lazy guys, because that is also not very professional, but it works in this case and it saves you some time. Then we will also need the 12 volts power supply directly from the battery. Therefore you can choose another cable which should be isolated very good to avoid damages by vibration or similar issues. The cable can be put through the quite tight space in the rear, but it works easily, to be honest. And then you can reach the battery compartment directly without any problems. The end of the cable has to be connected to the battery, of course, and I would recommend the usage of a longer screw, because tightening the screw is, let's say, a little bit complicated with that pretty short screw, even in original condition. The other end of the cable has to be connected with the relay, and from the second pin of the relay you can supply your electric systems like heated grips or whatever. Turning on the ignition will now switch on the relay, which will supply power directly from the battery to your electric systems. Ensure that all cables are tightened properly to avoid damages by vibration, for example. Yeah, I hope this video helped you a little bit, or at least gave you some ideas. Have fun with the installation. Thanks for watching. Have a good ride. Take care. Bye bye.